Hello and welcome to Unit 2, Handling Data 2. In this chapter, we will start with the statistical investigation. We will be giving a brief explanation about statistics and how statistics work. What is statistics? Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data in order to take decisions. So statistics is basically knowing what is going on in a certain field, knowing what happened, what do we have, and what may happen. What is population and sample? Population is a set of all individuals that are called units under a study, and a sample is a small group of a population. So basically, you perform your statistical studies on a sample of a population. And I'm going to give you an example about populations and samples so that you can get it more. This figure basically depicts what samples and populations are. The population is basically all individuals, and a sample is a group of individuals randomly chosen in order to perform a statistical study on them. An example might be a population of people that perform sports on regular basis, and a sample might be people that perform basketball or maybe football in order to know more about them.